how to fix corrupt game files on Steam. So first, just simply go to library and just right click on the game that is not working or the game that has the corrupt game file. So let's say this game. So you just simply need to right click on it, then go click on properties. And once you're in properties, you just simply need to click on installed files, then click on verify integrity of game file. So what this does is it checks for any corrupt game files, and if it does have any corrupt game files, it will automatically fix it. So as you can see, all 350 files successfully validated. But if yours does have a corrupted file, it will say it right here on the statement. Now, once that's done, what you need to do now, if it's still not working, is just simply go to Steam right here on the top left, then go to settings. Now, once you're on your settings, you just simply need to go to downloads and scroll down, and you need to click on clear download cache right here. So click on clear cache, click on confirm, and it will shut down Steam, and you just need to wait for it to open up, or you could just open up yourself. But as you can see, it automatically just opens up once it's done, and you just simply need to open up Steam again, wait for it to load. Now once it's opened up, you just simply need to click on library again and try to open the game that you want to play. But if it's still not working, the last thing that you can do is just to simply uninstall and reinstall the game that is corrupted or has the corrupted files. So if you want to do that, you just simply need to click on the game, click on the settings right here, to the settings icon, click on manage, and just simply click on uninstall. So you simply need to reinstall it again, and that should do the trick. And that's how you basically fix corrupt game files on Steam.